Hi there, business owners. Ever feel like your business's reputation is under attack? Today, I'm going to help you protect your business from one of the biggest online threats: fake Google reviews. Let's dive in and arm you with the tools to spot, combat, and remove these pesky imposters. So what are fake Google reviews? Imagine you're at a party and someone's spreading rumors about you that aren't true. That's essentially what fake Google reviews are: misleading comments on your Google business profile that don't reflect real customer experiences. But why do people leave fake reviews? Competitors might play dirty to gain an edge, angry customers could exaggerate their experience, and yes, there are even paid services that sell fake reviews. It's like buying followers on social media, a quick fix that can backfire spectacularly. Bots and AI also get in on the act, generating inauthentic reviews. And sometimes, friends, family, or employees might leave reviews with the best or worst intentions. Spotting fake Google reviews is like being a digital Sherlock Holmes. Here are some clues to look out for. Extreme language like "this is the best, worst thing ever" can be a red flag. Vague reviews without specifics are suspicious. A sudden influx of reviews? Just as suspicious as your cat being nice for no reason. Check the reviewer's profile. If they've reviewed businesses globally in one day, they're probably not genuine. Repetitive wording and mistakes like mentioning the wrong business name also scream fake. Now, how do you remove these fake reviews? Start by flagging the review on your Google business profile. Find the review, click the three dots, and select flag as inappropriate. If that doesn't work, gather evidence it's fake, and contact Google Business Profile support directly. Present your evidence clearly and professionally. Encourage your genuine customers to leave reviews. More authentic reviews can drown out the fakes. Respond publicly to fake reviews professionally. Show potential customers you care. Follow up with Google persistently if the review isn't removed promptly. In extreme cases, consult a lawyer. The recent FTC crackdown on fake reviews might provide legal grounds. Managing your online reputation is an ongoing process, not a one-time battle. By staying vigilant, encouraging genuine feedback, and addressing issues promptly, you're not just removing fake reviews, you're building a fortress of trust around your brand. So, are you ready to take control of your online reputation and turn those stars into superpowers for your business? The digital world is waiting for your authentic shine. Let's make every review count and every customer interaction matter. Your business deserves nothing less than the real deal. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on managing your business's online presence. See you next time.